Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First you subscribe my channel and like this video. So here we are talk about glossy nude makeup look. First I am doing cold compress. Using moisturizer which suits on your skin. After moisturizer, I am using Aloe primer. After done my prep and prime, I am using MAC concealer. This is 2 shades darker from my skin because I have not much pigmentations on my skin, so I am not using any corrector. I am only using concealer to hide my under eyes darkness and little bit pigmentations on my mouth area. After applying concealer, I am taking small beauty blender to blend my concealer properly. Now I am taking foundation which is exactly matched to my skin tone. Now I am using little bit concealer on my eyes and blend it properly with a small beauty blender. Blending is the most important thing during any kind of makeup. After this, I am using Forever 52 Wet and Dry Compact to set my foundation. Because I really want subtle and glossy look, so I am not using loose powder. I am only using compact to set my whole makeup. Okay, now this is my most favorite step. Before applying any highlighter, I am using makeup fixer. You can use any rose water. Now applying highlighter on nose, cheekbone area, lower lips. Finally, I am taking mascara. Finally, we reached to the last step of this video, and that is lipstick. This is from MYGLAMM. So hope you guys like my video. So please guys subscribe my channel and like and share as much as you can. Thank you so much for your love and support.